Yo guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this 4K quality for your edits using Filmora and Topaz Video Enhancer. So let's get started. Okay guys, the most important thing is that you should have it's a good quality video, because if it has poor quality, for example 480p, you won't achieve many great results. So if you want high quality videos for your edits, you can join my Discord through the link in the description. Okay, so if you have finished your edit without any color correction and text effects, you will need to export it in MP4 format. So guys, this is the edit I created for this tutorial.
I'm the one who's out there, not them. I'm the one.
Okay, let's export this. And if you already added text effects, make sure to hide all text layers. After that, click Export. Then go to the settings, and copy my settings. Okay, after that we need to add this video to the Topaz Video Enhancer. So you can get this through the link in my Discord server. So then add your exported video to Topaz. After that you can copy my settings. Okay, after that you can select the output format you need. You can select MOV or MP4, so I select MOV format. Then disable the audio, because Topaz will ruin your audio quality. So after that you can see the preview by clicking this preview button here. So you can see the difference between before and after. Okay, then click this Start Processing button to export. After that, go back to Filmora and add your exported video to there. Then select all the layers in your edit, except the text and audio layers. Then I drag these layers to here. Okay, then add the exported video to the timeline. And add your text effects to complete your edit. Okay, finally we need to add our color correction to this. So you can download this Crimson CC in my Discord. Also, I leave a file with instructions on how to install it. So after that, open that project, and we'll see a few adjustment layers like this. Then you need to save this, so simply go to the template, and click this Save as Custom button right here. Okay, after that go back to your edit, and select your edit layer. Then create a compound clip by pressing Alt+G. Okay, then double-click that layer. After that, go to the templates, and drag and drop the CC effect like this. Okay, after that go back to the main timeline. And now you are ready to upload this to your platforms. Also, before you export your edit, you need to delete the render cache. After that, go to the export, and copy my export settings. So guys, now it's ready. You have 4K quality edits. Also, after uploading the video to the platform, it will become 1080p somehow, but it will look perfect like a real 4K. And also after export, grains may appear on your edit. But don't worry, after uploading the video on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, they will disappear since the platform is a video up to 1080p, as I said earlier. So guys, I hope this video helps you and improves the quality of your edits. And also, if you like this kind of tutorial, please leave a like this video and be sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. So let's meet up the next video. Take care and peace.